warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nadira Kinanti Lubis. People usually call me Nadira. I'm from class F1. Today I want to show you about basic practicum Newton's first law or law of inertia. Check this out. To this practicum, the material you need are glass, card, and coin. Let's do that. First, put the glass on the table. Next, put the card and put the coin on the top. And next, pull the card quickly. 1, 2, 3. Observation. When the card is flicked quickly to the side, the coin on top of the card remains in place momentarily and then falls straight down into the glass. This happens because the coin tends to maintain its original state of rest due to its inertia. This phenomenon is explained by Newton's first law of motion, also called the law of inertia, which states an object at rest stays at rest and an object in the motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless opposed by an unbalanced external force. Okay, I want to answer and explain the worksheet question. First, what happened to the coin? Okay, when the card is quickly flicked sideways, the coin placed on the top of the card doesn't move sideways with the card at first. Instead, it remains almost in the same position, falls straight down into the glass. This happens because the coin tends to maintain its current state of rest due to inertia. Inertia is the resistance of an object to any change in its motion or state. Since the horizontal force is directly acting on the coin, when the card is flicked away, the coin resists the sudden motion and remains temporarily stationary relative to the ground. Once the card is gone, the coin loses support and gravity pulls it down into the glass. So, the coin behavior demonstrates how an object at rest tends to stay at rest unless acted upon by an external force. Okay, I will answer the second question. Which Newton laws explain this phenomenon? The phenomenon observed in the experiment is explained by Newton's first law of motion, also called the law of inertia. This law says that an object will remain at rest or move with a constant velocity in a straight line unless acted upon by an external unbalanced force. The coin remains still initially because no horizontal force acts on it to change its state of rest when the card is flicked. The card is the only object directly affected by the applied force. Thus, the coin inertia keeps it stationary until gravity causes it to fall when the card is no longer there to support it. This simple experiment provides a clear demonstration of the principle that external forces are required to chart the motion of an object, which is the essence of Newton's first law. Okay, thank you for your attention and I hope I get a good scores. Bye bye, see you next video.